The RMS Titanic. Indestructible. Unsinkable. Big. Set to sail April 10th, 1912, from Southampton, England to New York City. Little did the passengers know of their modernly popular demise.
Now the Titanic, like all boats, was made of three distinct parts in terms of its structure. It's got the bow, whose goal is to cut through the water as it flows and provide an aquadynamic, smooth experience for those inside. Now the stern is on the rear of the ship, and as the ship goes faster, it tips back a bit. This is called the dead rise. And the higher the dead rise is, the tougher you need the stern to be. And it's very important or else your ship will just sink or flip over. Now the hull is the most important part. There are tons of different hull designs, but pretty much the most common for small boats and for our model is the flat-bottomed hull. Basically, this allows the smoothest ride through calm water possible. But it's not always calm. Sometimes the water gets a bit rough. And it's situations like these in which this boat becomes a rough rider. But the Titanic could deal with this kind of thing, you know? It was made of steel and iron. This is made of cardboard. But what is cardboard?
Well, you see, cardboard is made of an inner flute layer, usually made of recycled paper, and two outer liner layers, which are also made of recycled materials such as wood shavings and wood fibers. It is due to this that whenever you bend the cardboard, it doesn't lose too much strength and it can stay durable. Also, due to the inner groove, the groove layers of the inner flute layer, it allows allows the cardboard to be more durable and gives it more strength, which allows it to support more weight. But it also absorbs water very easily, which weakens it and makes it and reduces the amount of the strength that the cardboard has and the weight it can hold.
But Christian, how can a boat made of this material possibly float?
Well, I don't know. Let's ask the man upstairs.
I'm glad you asked. So basically, the boat stays afloat due to Archimedes' principle. So Archimedes' principle states that any object that is like submerged in water stays afloat due to the force that buoys it upwards, which is the force of the displaced water. And so basically, if the buoyed force is equal to the weight of the ship or object, the object will remain afloat. Or if the buoyed force is greater than the object's weight, then the object will still remain afloat. But if the buoyed force is lower, then the object will sink. And the buoy force is basically the force that is pushing upwards, and it is affected by the density of the fluid and the volume of the displaced water and the acceleration, which is gravity. And so basically the density of the object equals 3 times the displaced fluid amount, and the weight equals the mass times gravity. And yeah, that's basically why the boat remains afloat even whenever.
All of these factors, in addition to the boat's extremely durable construction, led to the boat earning the moniker the Unsinkable.
But only on the 5th day of her maiden voyage, disaster struck the Titanic.
The Titanic struck an iceberg, which ripped a huge gash in its hull, causing the boat to sink within hours, killing 2/3 of the innocent souls aboard. The Titanic's revolutionary double hull shredded apart as the 2 pieces sank to the bottom of the ocean.